Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 228 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Prism Cream Eyeshadow from the brand Starry to try out, and this is also a product that I got from ShopMissA. So this is only $1 and it's cruelty free. I have this in the shade Plum, but this comes in 12 different shades. They had so many pretty shades. It was so hard for me to choose, but I don't have many eyeshadows in this shade, which is why I chose this one. I really don't know what to expect with this product. I've never used an eyeshadow out of a tube like this. This kind of just reminds me of like a primer or like a lip gloss tube. So I think I can just squeeze it out. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Let's see how this swatches. This is like the prettiest color eyeshadow I've ever seen. It's so pigmented. It actually matches this packaging perfectly. Wow. And the sheen of this, I am so impressed right now. It has silver shimmer in it, but whoa, this pigment is so good. I am so excited to apply this to my eyes. I don't even really know what tool to use. I think I'm going to start out applying it with my finger, and I may have to touch it up with a brush of some sort. When I do these eyeshadow reviews, I typically only put on that one eyeshadow color. So although I'm only going to be wearing this color right now, when I typically would wear a product like this, I would add other colors in that would help pull this look together. But for now, I'm just going to apply it to my entire eyelid. Alright, just clean up that little mess that happened from applying with my finger. Oh wow, oh my gosh. I just have a very thin layer on right now, and it looks so beautiful and pigmented and full color. I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more applied with my brush. This actually has a lot of silver sparkle in it. Now that I'm applying it to my eye, I can see that it really is quite sparkly. Oh my gosh, this feels like Barbie doll or mermaid or like princess makeup. It's so pretty in my opinion. This color is like the best color I've ever put on my eyes. And I really think that's due to the fact that this is so pigmented. If it didn't have such full, bright pigment, I wouldn't love this color as much as I do. And this is only $1. And this claims that you can use it as a base or alone, but I would not want to put anything on top of this because this color is everything. I want to wear this color all day, every day, if I could get away with it. Oh wow, I thought that it was still feeling kind of sticky, but it's not getting on my finger. It's actually staying very well in place. The only thing is that I am having some creasing. So I would try, even though this does claim that it can be a base, I would try putting a base on my eyelids personally that are very wrinkled and creasy, but I will say the creasing is not noticeable because of how bright and fully pigmented this color is. A lot of times I have a hard time choosing the right color when buying a ShopMissA product online because it can be really hard. They have so many colors to choose from with a lot of the products, and the swatches are sometimes not true to how they actually look. This one here, I think, looks even more beautiful in person than it does in the swatches. So if you're someone that loves a pink eyeshadow look like I do, and you love a bright pink, I absolutely recommend the plum color of this Prism Cream Eyeshadow from ShopMissA. Like, this is the best I've ever used. I'm sure you can tell that I'm so surprised by this product, but love it so much. I'm so happy I got this, And it definitely is something that I want to go back and buy in other colors because I am so impressed by this formula. Like, the pigment, as I keep saying, is amazing, but it's so comfortable on my eye, and once you apply it, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about fallout or layering and blending. It's more just you put it in its place and it's going to stay there, and it's going to be pigmented, and it's going to be beautiful. I know I said that I wouldn't typically wear this alone, but I am actually kind of digging how this looks. It's funny that I'm only saying this with one eye done, but I'm not planning to wear this all day long today. I really just wanted to try it out, but I'm definitely going to continue to wear this very often in the future. And I actually really do like how it looks alone. I can kind of blend it out into the crease a little bit, and I think it looks actually pretty good. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on wearing this color alone, or what other colors of eyeshadow you would pair it with. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.